How to remove continue watching on Tubi TV. To remove content from the continue watching list on the Tubi TV, follow these steps. Firstly, open any of your web browser and go to tubitv.com. Here you will need to log in to your account. If you have the app installed, then open the app. Now on the home page, scroll down and navigate to the continue watching section. Under continue watching, you will see all the videos that you have watched. Hover over the video that you would like to remove. Then select the option delete from continue watching. When you do that, then the video will be removed. Now if you want to remove the continue watching section entirely, then remove every video under the section continue watching. When you remove every video under this section, then the continue watching section will also be removed. However, when you start to watch other videos, then they will be listed under continue watching section. So there is no way that you can remove the continue watching section entirely. But if you want to remove videos under this section, then this is how you will be able to do it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.